Hi everybody and welcome to today's phonics lesson. Today in our phonics lesson we are going to be learning the sound. Can you make that sound with me? Let's do it 3 times. Well done. Now is a digraph. That is when you have 2 letters that when you put them together it makes one sound. Let's have a look at some words that have the sound in it. Okay, ooh, look at this. Lovely, lovely blue sparkling river. Let's have a go at sounding it out together. Robot arms at the ready. Off we go. I, river. Your turn. And all together. River. What a beautiful river it is. Okay, now this word can't be girl because girl begins with a g. This begins with a h sound. Let's sound it out. Put them together. Her. Let's use our robot arms to chop it up. Her. Your turn. And all together. Her. Fantastic. Oh, what have I got here? A lovely little hamster. There's a lot of phonemes in here. Hamster. Now, will you come and help me by being a robot and chop this word up? See if we can sound it out together. Let's go. Hamster. Hamster. Well done. We do it one more time. Hamster. Hamster. Lovely. Ooh, what is this? It's a ladder. Well done. Let's chop the word up. Ladder. Now what we've got to remember when we're sounding out ladder, if I use my sound buttons I can show you 2 d sounds together. Just make a d. It doesn't say ladder, it just says lad. Okay, so we do the 2 d sounds together as 1 d. Sound it out together. Ladder. Fantastic. This can't be castle because it doesn't start with a k. It starts with a t. I wonder if we can break this up to sound it out. Let's sound it out. Ready? T. Ow. Tower. Your turn. T. Well done. And let's do it all together. T. Ow. Tower. Fantastic. Just like the tower Rapunzel was in. Now, let's have a go at writing this sound. So I'm going to get my pen. I'm going to choose a black pen for today. And when we're writing this sound, we want to remember how we form an E and a So when we form an E, we say, take off the top and scoop out the egg. Take off the top and scoop out the egg. So we're thinking about if we had a boiled egg, taking the top off. And when we do an sound, we go down the robot's body and up over his arms. down the robot's body and up over his arms. Wonder if you can have a practice. Cut off the top and scoop out the egg, down the robot's body and up over his arms. Take off the top and scoop out the egg, down the robot's body and up over his arms. Now you've had a go at writing the sound, let's think about writing a sentence or some of these words that we've learned today. This is the sentence that I've written. I wonder if you can read it with me. It's got a clue here. It says, I have a, and now we can sound this word out. P-et. P-et. Let's blend it. P-et. Pet. I have a pet. Ooh, now I wonder if we can guess what this is. I'm going to come round here. A. S. T. Hamster. I have a pet hamster. Well done for all your hard work in phonics. I want you guys to have a go now at practicing some of the words that we've learnt today in our phonics lesson. And if you can, maybe even have a go at trying writing your own sentence using one of those words. Well done and good job for all the hard work that you've done in phonics. We're so proud of you. You've done brilliantly. Okay, we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.